Hey guys, welcome to Transform Your Tinnitus here in San Francisco. Let's now take a dive into what happened today during our live event.
I love this event so much because it gives people with tinnitus hope, and that there really is light at the end of the tunnel and you can recover from this. So when I would hear everybody's stories, it would help me, that I wasn't the only one going through this. And it would give me hope because I would hear stories too that people made it through the other side and they were improving and they were getting better because they were applying the things that they'd learned. I still manage it, but now it's not running me. I'm more in control of it. And it's thanks to Treble Health.
We had such a great time at this live event in San Francisco. We brought hope to the tinnitus community, and we want to continue to do that. So reach out to our team if you need any help.